In this video, we will learn how to use adverbs of frequency in sentences. We will also learn how to use the adverbs even and also. Adverbs of frequency help to answer the question, how often? When we do something 0% of the time, we can use the adverb never. When we do something 5% of the time, we can use the adverbs hardly ever or rarely. If we do something 10% of the time, we can use the adverb seldom. If we do something 30% of the time, we can use the adverb occasionally. If we do something 50% of the time, we can use the adverb sometimes. If we do something 70% of the time, we can use the adverbs often or frequently. If we do something 80% of the time, we can use the adverbs normally or generally. If we do something 90% of the time, we can use the adverb usually. If we do something 100% of the time, we can use the adverb always. When we use adverbs of frequency, these adverbs go after the first auxiliary verb. For example, I have always enjoyed sports. They are usually late for class. He is never ill. We would sometimes play chess. John has occasionally worked abroad. Maria was seldom unemployed. If there is no auxiliary verb, frequency adverbs normally go directly before the main verb. For example, John seldom works at weekends. The students never take exams on Fridays. Paula occasionally travels for her job. Susan normally replies to emails in the mornings. If the main verb is negative, frequency adverbs normally go after the word not. For example, Mark doesn't always work in the morning. Sue hasn't generally enjoyed the gym. The children aren't usually sick. We don't often eat in restaurants. The words even and also are both adverbs. We use the adverb even to refer to something surprising, unexpected, unusual, or extreme. When even refers to a whole clause or sentence, we usually put it between the subject and the main verb, after the modal verb or first auxiliary verb. For example, we might say, Susan hates all animals. She even hates kittens. Mark won't go out. He won't even go to work. The children can speak 4 languages. They even speak Japanese. We use also to add a new piece of information without the suggestion that it is surprising. When also refers to a whole clause or sentence, we also usually put it between the subject and the main verb, after the modal verb or first auxiliary verb. For example, we might say, children study history in school. They also study science. The man ordered 3 desserts. He also left a very small tip for the waiter. The central school has classes Monday to Friday. It also has classes on Saturdays. In this video, we have learned how to use adverbs of frequency in sentences. We have also learned how to use the adverbs even and also. This video was brought to you by the Central School of English, an English school in Dublin. For more videos, visit centralschool.ie.